Question number 2, draw the Lewis structure for methane. Methane formula is CH4. So to draw a Lewis structure, we have to find their valence electron number. So for carbon, the valence electron number is going to be 4, and for hydrogen, the valence electron number is going to be 1, and we have to add our valence number. We have 4, so we have 4 hydrogen plus 4 times 1 is gonna be 8. Hydrogen is gonna be outside always, so carbon would be in the center. We have 2 2 2, so that would be 8. So when we do this, we will make a bond for each of them. We can make a bond like this for each of hydrogen, and this would be our Lewis structure, or this also can be our Lewis structure. Disregard the circles. Thank you.